In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image inside a component on Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to replace a photo in a component or an instance without breaking your design or detaching anything. First, head to Figma, either in your browser or using the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in and ready to work in the correct project. If you're collaborating, check that you have edit permissions for the file you're about to modify so your changes can be saved. Next, open the design that contains the image you want to change. This could be a component in your library or an instance placed on a frame, like a card, a profile avatar, or a hero banner. If you're working inside an instance, that's perfectly fine. Replacing the image counts as an override, so it won't affect the master component unless you intentionally edit the source later. Now, click the image you want to replace. If the image sits inside a component, you may need to drill down, double-click to enter the instance, or use the Layers panel to select the specific layer that holds the image fill. You'll know you have the right layer when the sidebar shows a fill with an image thumbnail rather than a solid color. With the correct layer selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Fill section. You should see the fill type set to image. Click the small image thumbnail or the drop-down to open the image settings. This is where you control the source file and how it's displayed. Choose Upload from Computer. This brings up your file picker so you can browse for the replacement image. A quick tip: choose a high-resolution image that matches or exceeds the size it will be displayed at, and use compressed formats like JPG or optimized PNG to keep your file lightweight. Always make sure you have the rights to the image you're using. Select your image and confirm. Figma will replace the existing fill with the new file right away. If the image doesn't look quite right, adjust it in the same fill panel. Switch between fill, fit, and crop to control scaling, and click the crop tool to reposition the focal point so the subject sits exactly where you want it. You can also tweak corner radius, strokes, and effects if those are part of the layer's styling, and your overrides will stay intact within the instance. That's it. You went to Figma, opened your design, selected the image layer, used the fill panel, uploaded from your computer, and chose the replacement. Your component remains fully functional, your layout stays consistent, and your new image drops in cleanly without detaching anything.